to GT Customizer. We specialize in exhaust systems. We started from raw material to full headers and full exhaust. We start from cutting our flanges here on a high-tech CNC machines, and also we have a water jet as well, so we can do turbo kits. We can cut any type of shape, and we can show you some samples. So we do our welding here. We use TIG welding and MIG welding and all types of those. So we get the finished product like this one here. It needs only painting. So here's a manifold with a high temperature paint. You can see all the details here with our logo in it. And also we work on performance cars like SWAT engines, like this Nissan here. We have Land Cruiser engine on a Nissan petrol, and also we're preparing the second engine, also a Nissan petrol, like this one here. It's a big block Chevy, so hope it's gonna do some good deal. Also, we are specialized at carbon fiber parts, like this one we made for the GTR.
GTCustomizer?
It's about fabricating parts that you cannot find in aftermarket shop. GTCustomizer is specialized in fabricating high-performance exhaust, as well as metal shaping and metal fabricating for sports car, off-road car. We also work at carbon fiber from a raw material to a finished product, and we also proud to be the distributor in Qatar for warm winches. We're trying the best that we can to provide the best product to our customers, and also we try to make our customers satisfied from our product.